My name is Brian Sharp. I'm the CFO and Corporate Secretary of KSKJ Life.
And I am Lauren Rainey, Vice President of Operations.
KSKJ Life, we're a fraternal benefit society. What that means is our members own part of KSKJ. We're a not-for-profit that operates solely for the benefit of our members. And one of our focuses is to be there at the time they need us the most. We want our members to be around and be part of KSKJ for another 130 years.
It's important for KSKJ to keep our members' information safe and secure, and we're able to do that with the partnership that we have with Aqueity.
The security and compliance is important for KSKJ Life because we're under strict regulatory compliance from the state of Illinois. We undergo state audits every 5 years, and one of the biggest challenges we had was the ability to help manage those from a technology perspective.
Previously, we had an internal IT department at KSKJ with very few people. Now that we have Aqueity, the response times for any issues that arise is much quicker.
We realized our IT needed to be more agile and more flexible as we grow as an organization. One of the things we looked for was somebody who can give us the expert advice when we need it to provide us with a strategic direction for our technology. Our IT today is more secure, it's more strategic by allowing us to focus on what we need to.
Aqueity allows us to operate smoothly because I know that they are taking care of the security and the IT in the background. I'm excited to work with Aqueity to learn more about how AI can help make our reporting more efficient.
The relationship between Aqueity and KSKJ has evolved. When we first engaged with them, we realized it could take care of more than just our basic IT needs. We decided to bring them on as a core strategic partner for our leadership team. Aqueity was our main choice to be our IT provider. We were looking for more of a partner rather than just a vendor. And we wanted somebody to be an extension of our KSKJ family. If I were to tell somebody why they should work with Aqueity, I'd give them several different reasons. They're a great IT partner for any organization. They're always responsive. They're there when you need them. They have the knowledge and expertise, and they're actually part of your family.